Hello guys, today in this tutorial I am going to show you how I modified my Android phone into a little bit of iOS styled phone. So from beginning I have just downloaded a app called iOS launcher from the Play Store, and the second app I have downloaded is the notification control center to get this view. I have downloaded control center to get this view. See here, iOS launcher, I have downloaded this one, and the control center here. I have downloaded these both apps to get this interface. So here lot of people might be thinking these two can be done by anyone, but I am challenging. You will not get this kind of dialer, which is very similar to our iOS style dialer. If you set it as default dialer, you can enjoy exactly the view, exactly the incoming and outgoing interface as same as our iOS styled calling interface. And the second one is FaceTime. I don't spend much time with that app, so I can't explain you, but I have added my email ID, which is Apple ID. So when I done that, I came to this page. So I think this is working. And the third one is iMessages, which is very related to iMessage, but they are not asking me to sign into cloud, means Apple iCloud, but here that is not happening. And the photos and the settings and the music also don't need our iTunes ID, but this thing have online songs. It will load our some online songs, the top songs, and plays for us. And also you can choose also you can search for any song you want to hear. So this is the best thing I have seen this app. And the final, calculator. They all look like iOS styled apps. Thank you for watching, and I am providing every app link in the description, so go there and just try them. See you in the next video.